Today's Best Action Camera 2022 from GoPro, Insta360 and DJI in 2022. I am going to show, through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Number 5, DJI Action 2. When the DJI Action 2 is installed with the magnetic protective case, DJI Action 2 will now have a plastic heat-resistant material, and the temperature range are also broadened, which can greatly decrease the situation of recording interruptions due to overheating. For a better creative experience, users who have already purchased and activated DJI Action 2 before 2400 hours, March 31, 2022, will receive an additional magnetic protective case. Please check the notification sent to your email used to activate DJI Action 2. After this date, users can purchase the dual screen combo and magnetic protective case or power combo and magnetic protective case option to get the bonus magnetic protective case. Number 4, AKASO Brave 8 4K 60 FPS Action Camera. AKASO Brave 8 Action Camera, the most versatile and superior photographic imaging AKASO camera to date, the first AKASO sports camera to shoot 4K 60 FPS video, 48MP photos, 8K time-lapse video, super wide angle and achieves 16x slow motion shooting, more superior photography experience. AKASO Brave 8 Action Camera is the upgraded version of the Brave 7 LE. Features a powerful 1/2 CMOS image sensor and quad-pixel technology teamed with a unique 9-layer glass lens array. Support professional 4K 60 FPS video, 48MP photo, help you record your sports adventures and clearly capture life's most vivid details. Waterproof and dual color screens. IPX8 waterproof protects underwater cameras from rain, snow and water splashes. Waterproof video camera to 33 feet 10 meters, without case, it is suitable for snorkeling, surfing, swimming. Dual color screens, you can change framing and monitoring views between back and front. Color front screen can meet your selfie needs. 2-inch rear touch screen makes it easier to use than ever. Number 3. Insta360 Go 2, small action camera, tiny and mighty, thumb-sized action camera that weighs just 1 ounce. Uses a powerful 1/2.3-inch image sensor to shoot crisp 1440p video. Rugged and waterproof to 13 feet, mount anywhere, wearable camera design. Mount Go 2 anywhere with its magnetic in-the-box accessories and shoot hands-free. Flow state stabilization, image stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your video steady no matter where you mount Go 2. Action Sport Ready. Multi-use charge case. Comes with a pocket-sized case that's also a charger, remote control and tripod all in one. Extends battery life up to 150 minutes. In the box, 1x Insta360 Go 2, 32GB, 1x charge case, 1x lens guard, pre-installed, 1x magnet pendant, 1x pivot stand, 1x easy clip and 1x Type-C charge cable. Number 1, Insta360 1RS Twin Edition, 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta360 1RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization, buttery smooth image stabilization, no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses.